Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here. This is a before and after report for Keith in Texas on this RCI-2970N4. Keith just got her hooked up here. Show you with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Keying about what, 15 watts? Hello, 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 1 2 1 2 1 2, hello. Going to about 45 bird. 500 watt slug, hello, 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 hello. Shows about 500 peak. Really suffering on the bird. Just roll it all the way up. 250 watt slug. It's keying about 180. Hello, hello. Swinging backwards to about 115. 500 watt slug, hello, 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 PEP, 500 watts. Let's go over to the spectrum analyzer. We're sweeping 50 megahertz right there. Let's go a little more. Sweep 60 megahertz, that way we can cover that. Now that right there, that spike's just in the analyzer. So hello, 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 hello. So you see a little bit of second order harmonics there on the far right of the screen. And on the oscilloscope, you're working about 50% modulation. Hello, with a lot of clipping right there, man. So we're gonna work on this for a little while and be back. And we'll pop in here one time real quick. So here we are through the signal generator, 60 dBm down. Watch this. So some good rejection there on 27215. We go down here 27195 and not too good. So we're gonna work on your filtering, gonna upgrade your filter and be back. And thanks to modern technology, we're back in what seems to be a flash. There we are, still injecting our 60 dB down. I'll go to 21 like we did. Nice and quiet. Nice channel rejection. Now let's go down one. There we go. How about that? Equally as nice. So notice a big difference on your bleed over now. Okay, and we're back. All right there, Keith. I've got your power set right here, and I'll show you why here for a second. 250 watt slug. It's about about 85 watts of carrier. 500 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. 500 watt slug in the corner. I'm about to go and pull that out. While I'm doing that, I'll tell you, got you at 85 watts on the carrier. That's going to get you just a hair over 100% modulation. Low. So now we're going to 600 watts PEP. Spectrum analyzer. 60 megahertz sweep to catch that harmonics. Hello, 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 hello. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. You see just a small little spike under full modulation right there. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5. And right there, hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. It's about 110% modulation there. Now obviously as you turn it up, you know, your carrier to peak swing decreases, therefore your modulation decreases. Turn it down, it's going to increase. So let's get right to it here. 250 watt slug. Got you at 20 watts all the way down. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 225 bird. We're not swinging backwards no more, Keith. 1000 watt slug PEP. Hello, hello, hello. And a good 600. Go over here to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. They do a little over 500 on sideband. All right, Keith, it's ready to come to you. Got your voltage regulator upgrade and filter on there, tightened it up, got rid of that adjacent crossover bleed over. Hope you enjoy. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.